sitting by your window, watching the flakes of snow skate across the glass. You decide to take a walk. You wrap up very warmly and step outside. The snow appears to be falling in slow motion. Some of the flakes gracefully glide onto your face and your eyelashes. You instantly feel refreshed. The scene is easy on your eye, pleasantly monochromatic. You are aware there's a lake in the near distance, and you start to walk towards it. As you get closer and closer to the lake, the snow deepens and your boots are almost submerged. But the snow is crisp and your feet, although tingling, are still dry. As you continue your walk, the snow creaks in a satisfying way. Its powder falls from each boot. The coolness of the air you breathe in feels refreshing and energizing. And each out-breath you see like a mist in front of your face. Each in-breath, your nose tip feels pleasantly cool. Each out-breath a little warmer. The lake is quite close to you now. You soon notice that the water is barely moving, as the surface is mostly frozen. A single leaf drops on to the icy cap of the lake and skates across it like a hovercraft. The skin on your face feels toned and your senses alive and alert. You're aware that you're noticing more detail in the scene around you. The crunch of each boot on the powdery snow heard more acutely. To the right of you is the lake, and to the left of you, some trees. Each branch is loaded with snow, weighed down and bouncing as each heavy snowdrop hits it. The colour of some vivid red berries pop out of the soothingly monochromatic scene, pleasing to your eye. As you look closer, you notice that the red berries have little icicles dripping from them. You become quite mesmerised by the scene of the icicles, so delicate and intricate. Start to become very attuned to all the other subtle colours around you that pop. Looking up, the sky is very blue. The snow is like fine dust particles in sunlight. Some fluffy white clouds like cotton wool bob by. You turn left into the forest. The snow is getting heavier. The scene is becoming even more beautiful. The only sounds you hear, the crunch of your feet and a distant crow. The path winds on, and soon the trees thin out, and you come to a clearing. The scene of the village in front of you is very pleasing to your eye. As you draw closer and closer to the village, you take in its peaceful atmosphere. Once you're in the village, the pillar box red of an English postbox catches your eye. You crunch and skate your way towards it. The top of the postbox is thickly capped with snow. You take off your thick gloves and reach deeply into your pocket. You take out some letters and drop them into the postbox. They make a satisfying sound as they plop. You turn back home now, retracing your footsteps, carefully placing each foot back into the same print you've just made. The footsteps leading you back home. The snow is getting heavier, dampening all the sounds now but those your boots make and the patter of the snow on your warm jacket. You take your time, enjoying the scene. Eventually, you make your way to your house and open the front door. The warmth of the fire greets you. You remove your jacket and boots and shake off the powdery snow. Your toes and fingers pleasantly tingling. You walk over to the window and sit down, looking out at the scene that you've just been walking through. Every part of your body feels refreshed, your mind rested and happy. You rub your hands strongly together and place them over your eyes, blinking into their warmth. You're in no hurry to open your eyes and stay a while like this. Blinking your eyes open, you start to wriggle your toes and your fingers. You feel very invigorated. You take a few long, slow in and out breaths. Your body feels good and your mind is calm.